guys, na-miss ko ano guys. Asa ganita mede?
Ha?
Asa ganita karon mede?
Bugo.
Na meron sa Bugo. Ya palungi sa kuan. Sana ang pamisahan. Kaya kapit na wag nas madidi na madidi. Madidi oh. Madidi ano sa camera mede?
Oh, lagi. Ay, yaman na.
Kaya ganun. Ya.
May guwapo.
Dagan man mi na si Madidi ako. Saka na ang maiding. Maiding smiles camera.
Ano naman eh? Nag-video ka doon? Ay,
Og
sabi ay.
Og si Miguel. Napa na. Nga, sumod. Og sila dadisi na pa sa kana asa napato sila gibuhat man. Og sila Mami Ishil tugtog kasi masanta. Pero wala si tatay nanay or kan ba kay duty man sila. Na ang nara nabot na gid Miss Primisahan pa doon. Nara. Abot na gid mi. Oh, lindot kayo diri oh. Guwapo kay mga senior diri oh. Naro? Lindot kayo diri. Pare ay na. Ya dayon mo kuan nami. Diri. Padung kami mo house ni Van. Mo house kami. Agad na lang guys. Yan na, naras Mami Ishila. Smart camera. Yan ako dito silang Kuya Ibin o si Kuya JB. Nakalimut ko salty, sorry. Hawak na yun mi. Lunas kasi na. Cute kayo biyan siya. Pwede na lang kayo padung pakumuha. Kasi antena. Ante, small to kita. Kasi sana kasi cute. Nah, cute kayo kasi. Oh, kasi. At mas video. Kasi. Video. Narasi ano sa ganina na Berhen ante? San Vicente. Ya si Tuk-Tuk. Tara. Tuk-Tuk, hai. I'm actually a Filipino, so you can know. And I can speak English.
Ba, ang tabi ko ay magkuyog ka. Nagpamisa.
Now we're going out. Now we are now going out. There's so many things to explore in the Bugu. In Bugu. Look. There's so many. Maybe there's a record office. There's a record office. It's so cool. I'm going out now. There wasn't that much there, just paper so you can record what you're doing and write down. I don't know why. Wow. So, look, there's a cool painting there. Look. There's a really cool painting here. So cool. I love the painting. It's also so realistic. Look. Wait. I'm going to the painting in about a second. Look, there's pigeons. I mean birds. There's a security guard. It's so peaceful here. You can just do what you want to do. That's so peaceful.
Hi vlog! Hi vlogger!
No someone more.
Kuday si Bang Bang.
Ikaw si Penis Boy. Judging us. I hate those kids. So annoying. I mean, yeah, I hate them. Always teases me around. Oh, there's a clinic here. Look. I can translate it for my clinic. Unya adto na ko. Painting. Adto na ko sa painting. Nara dire. Nindot kayo kay realistic oh. Maglakaw na ko, guys. No? Chuy kayo, no? Na, chuy kayo. Mura kong naglakaw nga dos. Tinuod na kuan, kakahuyan. Pero, painting na. Di ay. Awaha, realistic kayo, guys. Guys, realistic kayo. Na, realistic. Na, nindot kayo. Mura kong naglakaw sa kanaang kuan, kakahuyan. Sure kayo na. Ang daan, guys. O na. Daan. Niya. Wala ka sa ko, guys. Tingali ma. Biyan ko. So that was so good. And there's annoying Miguel. It's so dumb. And I think I'll cut the video or something since I need to find something interesting. Is this interesting? There's a national I can't read that much. It says National Catechetical Month. I'm now going. That was embarrassing. Oh, I forgot. Right in front of the convent, there's a gigantic statue. I'm going to the statue right now because it's so cool. And lindot kaayo. Lindot kaayo. Ang statue. Naraw? Dako kayo siya. Dako kayo, no? By me na. When I say dako, it's big. That's the truth. And I think let's go. Let's go to Cassie.
Dali na. Kudak gidong po.
He's so cute. Cassie is so cute. Cassie smiles to camera. Smile. Oh. Cassie! Smile sa camera, Cassie. Cassie, smile sa Cassie. No.
Oy, wala maalbiyaan ka na mo na may pulis.
Hali, magplita sa Miming. Miming? Oh, Miming. Hali. Ato ta Miming na, Miming, oh. Miming? Oh, na, Miming, oh. Miming? Cassie loves cats. And I mean by that, si Cassie ganahan og cats. Cassie loves cats very much. Like when he was just playing in the cat, and I was worried that the cat will bite Cassie. When I just take cat away, Cassie was like, ah! And I think I'll now cut the video. Goodbye, guys. But it's so cool here. I'll be quiet. Bye. Gonna have to go. Need to go to